Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
General Secretary ke BJP Rituraj Sinha ulaong balada ke BJP ka job Ngut ki MLA hagani ke election kala ban ti jingkhang ye ke sarkar Delhi ban Pynurlong no ye ke Ktien Khasi bat Garo ke baki pat ba kila angnot laslam ye kini ki Ktien ula penpau haba ye keren bat ki nong thok khubor hadin malawai ban pelaj pat ba ya ki jingkular ne ke manifesto jong ke BJP hagani ke election MLA ha Meghalaya ke balong menta kasngi ke khat santarik ubna rempang arajar arpulai ha vivanta shlong
have a very rich culture, and the Khasi and Garo languages have hundreds of years of cultural value. We believe that these languages must be considered for inclusion in the 8th schedule, and BJP stands with the Garo people and the Khasi people for inclusion of these languages. We will do our best after election. If we have adequate number of seats, we will move this in the Legislative Assembly and work in close coordination with central government to take this request up.
But resolution has already been passed in the Meghalaya regarding this.
Like I said, we have been only 2 seats in the Meghalaya Assembly. When we are in a dominant role in the Meghalaya Assembly, when we have greater influence and say, we will definitely be able to take this to Delhi. And like I said earlier, with a double engine government, with a BJP government in Delhi and a BJP government in Meghalaya, a lot of these long-standing, long-pending issues can be brought to conclusion in record speed. I urge the people of Meghalaya, they have given a chance to Congress, they have given a chance to regional party. I urge them to give one chance to BJP and see the difference that we have made in other states in Northeast. Thank you.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Meghalaya ka jingsngan ha ka imlang sa alang ningkong baro ki jingeshan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansa kentiu sya ka siaja tingka sibenai kata kalong khat araja tingka sisnem
hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang Shanya kasap jong pi haki artli ki sentil bat kersan ya ka Meghalaya TMC